Hi, I'm Lindley. I am a Beachbody coach as well as a running coach. I am going to make a couple of videos. This video is about avoiding injuries while running. So as we all know that a lot of people complain about knee pain, foot pain, hip, back. There's a variety of different running injuries that are out there. Most common is the knee injuries, and a lot of that is caused by weakness in the knees or improper structure of the foot and not getting enough support in your shoes. So avoiding injuries includes going and getting properly fitted at a specialty running store. Not just buying shoes based upon color or looks, and I'll go into that in another video. But getting shoes that have the right amount of support for your feet to avoid those knee injuries. Other injuries can be anything from sore hamstrings, IT band syndrome, tight calves, plantar fasciitis, those kinds of things. So some great ways to help avoid those injuries or to treat them. Number one, frozen water bottle. As a runner, a frozen water bottle becomes like your best friend. It can be used for rolling out your shins. So if you're getting shin splints, freezing a water bottle or a cup and rolling it up and down your shins helps to alleviate some of that inflammation that can happen and cause pain. Another thing is for plantar fasciitis. Icing and rolling your foot out on the frozen water bottle, it's absolutely amazing. It helps to kind of break things up in your foot, which is what you want to do, and also helps avoid or decrease that inflammation in your foot. So frozen water bottle is an awesome way to avoid and treat injuries. The second thing that you can use, I got my stuff right here, the stick. Okay, it's called the stick. And what you do is you use it as like rolling out your muscles. So you roll it back and forth, kind of like a rolling pin on your quads, your hamstrings, your calves. They say it's like a toothbrush for your muscles. So it just helps break things up, reduce that soreness in your legs as well. The other thing that's awesome is a foam roller. So this is a trigger point therapy foam roller, which you can see my dog chewed on. This one is hollow on the inside and has a plastic on the inside and then the foam outside. So when you do roll it, it is firmer. So you can use this to roll out your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, IT band, your quads. You can roll out your back. So you can use the foam roller for a full body therapy, basically. It's called a myofascial release, and what that does is that it releases the muscles. It can help get rid of knots and stuff like that. So foam roller is key. So avoiding injuries, get properly fitted with running shoes. Don't increase your mileage too quickly. Follow the training plans. A proper training plan should take you through increasing 10% per week because that's what our bodies are used to and that's how they can adjust. So by increasing your running time or distance 10% per week. So that can help you avoid injuries as well. Freezing a water bottle or a cup and using that for feet or shins. You can honestly use it on anything. And then a stick or a foam roller. Those are awesome ways to help reduce injuries or to treat them. Another thing is that you can look into is kinesio tape or KT tape. So if you have different injuries, depending on the problem, sometimes that tape can kind of help get things aligned again and help. But again, that's just a band-aid fix. So figuring out what the problem is and treating the issue rather than just covering it up with a tape or something. I hope those are some helpful tips for avoiding injuries. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.